Hi friends and families, Miss Amanda here. I'm going to show you how to make a calm down item for you to use when your child is having some big feelings. It's called an I Spy bottle. So I have one example already made here, and then I can show you how to make it as well. So this I have in a tea bottle that I kept and saved from my house. I let it dry out really well, and then I put some sand in there. And you can use sand from a sandbox, or you could use even rice is good for these kind of things, anything small like that. And then I found some items around the classroom and around my house, and I put them in there. And then when your child is having some big feelings, they can search for some of these things. So I spy a pig, and I spy a yellow Lego. And then they can shake it a little more. Ooh, I see a pink crayon. Do you see the pink crayon? And if your child is a little older or they're starting to calm down, you can ask them, you could say, find the paper clip. And what I do is I write down what I put in there first before I put it in there, so then I know and I don't forget what's in there. So I could say, find the rectangle button or find the dinosaur. In this one, I put some letter beads, a star, heart, and rectangle button, a pink crayon, a dinosaur, a yellow Lego, a googly eye, a pig, a rock, a bell, and a paper clip. And so, if you practice this when they're calm, you practice using this and finding the things, then when they're having some big feelings, you can use it to help calm them down and get their focus on something else. And I have a bottle here to show you how I did it. So this one is also filled with sand. This is a lemonade bottle. And for this one, I'm focusing on just colors. So it's not so busy. So if you know your child is better at focusing on just one thing, you can pick just one kind of thing to put in there. And I chose to do colored buttons. So you could say, look for the yellow colored button. So I'll put these in there, and then I'll shake it in between to get it all mixed up. And you want to leave enough room at the top of the bottle to allow for some shaking. I have my black button, I have my brown button, I have my blue button, and then I shake them around so they get all mixed up in there. I have my purple button, I have my pink button, pink is my favorite color. I have a orange button, and I shake it so it gets all mixed up, and the more they use it, the more mixed up it'll also get. I have a green button, and I have a red button. So then I'll put the cover on. And what I do in class is I actually glue it and tape it so it doesn't come, the cover doesn't come off when there's big feelings happening, because sometimes they get thrown. So I shake it really well. And then you could ask your child, ooh, what color did you find? Ooh, I see a yellow or a green button, and I see the pink button. You could say, could you find the blue button for me? And so I'd have to shake. I see it. There's the blue button. This is something that you could put in your Calm Down toolbox in order to have your children start to calm down on their own when they feel ready. I'll see you later, alligator.